Hey, welcome to GreenGeeks. Are you feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options and features in your hosting account? Maybe it's your first time building a website and you're not sure where to start? We get it. As a freelancer, blogger, or business owner, your time is super valuable, and the last thing you need is to get lost in a sea of technical details. It can be frustrating trying to figure out where to begin and what your next steps will be. And that's where we come in. We are here to make things as easy as possible for you. And to help you get started, we have created these video tutorials where we explain the basics of your account and highlight the essential features so you can make the most of your hosting plan. Let's do it!
Let's start with a quick overview. On the left side of your screen, you will find the main menu with all the different sections. We have the dashboard with a complete summary of your account, then Hosting, where you can manage your hosting accounts, Domains, where you can register a new domain or request to transfer your current domain, then Security, Affiliate Program, and Support. On the upper side of your screen on the right side, you will find the main settings for your GreenGeeks account. You can access and update your profile, review billing information, or change your password here. For higher security, I recommend activating the two-factor authentication option. On privacy, you can turn your email notifications on and off and change other privacy options. You can provide complimentary access to your team on the Account Access tab. Showcase your commitment to the environment by displaying our GreenGeeks seals on your website. This way visitors can verify that you host green. Below is our live chat, where you can connect with our support team if you need help. Let's go to the dashboard. The dashboard will be your home page. Here you can see a summary of your account, products or services. You can also see your open tickets and ticket history, and track your points in the affiliate program. Alongside cPanel, you will find a custom account management panel to manage your hosting plan. Let's take a quick look. The first section allows you to track your resource usage and view server information and domain name servers. You can review your current plan or start the quick launch wizard to have your website up and running in no time. If you need help building your website, I recommend using the starter site option, where our design team will help you create your first site. After the overview, the next tab is Email. Here you can configure your email accounts, manage forwarders, or adjust your spam protection. Next, we have WordPress, where you can install and manage your WordPress account. Then we have Site, where you can manage your website files, FTP accounts, and site builders. The Security tab allows you to manage the SSL certificates or block-specific IPs. On Domains, you can add add-on domains, which are additional domains that the system stores as subdomains of your main site. If you are new to these terms, they might be confusing, so I'm leaving a link in the description below to other tutorials and webinars that will help you manage your hosting account and build your website. The other options, database, statistics, development tools, and add-ons are more technical, and we will also review them in a different tutorial. Before we finish, if we go to the support section, you will see direct links to our knowledge base, where you will find more articles on different topics.
And that's how easy it is to navigate your hosting account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like us to cover other topics, please let us know. And remember, your success is our success.